Hello and welcome to Leica On Demand. My name's Jamie and today I'm going to talk you through some of the features and the benefits of the Leica Distos. Now there are a few different models of Leica Disto that you can choose from. One of the biggest questions we get asked is, can you use it outside? The answer to that question is yes, as long as you pick one of the models with a camera function. The reason for the camera function is then you can see outside in a clear day the measurements and where you want to take a measurement from. Without a camera, it's incredibly hard to see that measurement point. Now, the D510 has some incredible features. The first one we're going to look at is the active measurement. And incidentally, all distos have this active measurement. So let's take a closer look at how active measurement works and why you'd use it. So in order to use active measurement, you simply turn the unit on with a button in the middle. Now, incidentally, that's also the measurement button. And we need to just hold this down for about 3 seconds. So if I do that now, you'll notice that the measurement system starts to go and you'll hear the active beeping. This is telling you that it's on an active measurement. You simply then can move the unit forward and back and it tells you the measurement, very much like using a tape measure. So that was a look at how the active measurement system works on this. As I said, it works on all distos and it's a really, really handy thing if you want to use it like a tape measure. If you want to just quickly take a measurement or check or find a point, so if you wanted to, let's say, find 1.5 meters from the wall, it's really quick and a simple way of doing that. Now the next feature I'm going to show you is a very clever way of working out the different apps and what they do. So let's have a look at that in more detail. So this is a feature that I've found so helpful when I'm using a disto. Now the D510 has a question mark button on it. So let's say we wanted to find a specific function, but we weren't too sure what we needed to do. So what I want to do is take a measurement, but there's a wall in the way. I need to take a straight line measurement, but there's something in the way. How do I do that? If I go onto the functions and have a look at what I think might be the right function for the job, I think it might be this one here, but I'm not too sure. So if you can see there, there's a little question mark. You press the question mark and it will show you on the screen quite clearly a diagram of what you're doing. Now as you can see, this is exactly what I wanted. There's a wall there that's in the way. I want to take this straight line measurement, but I can't do it. This function will allow you to take a measurement higher than the wall, as you can see there with the number 1. That's the measurement you take. And then it works out the maths and the angles and it gives you the true horizontal line, exactly what I wanted. This question mark function is absolutely fantastic. So let's have a look at another one. What does this mean? Question mark. Okay, so what this is telling you is that you want to measure the height of a tree. If you were working in a forestry department and you needed to find out the height of the trees, perfect function for you. What it's showing you here is how to get the measurement. Not only that, it's saying you need to put it on a tripod. If you can see there, there's a little tripod logo. So that's when you put the disto on a tripod and then it would allow you to take that measurement. So the last thing that I want to show you is the Disto Sketch app. Now the Sketch app works in conjunction with the disto that has Bluetooth and it's very, very simple to use. You can use it on a tablet or a phone. So let's have a little look at how this works and how it would benefit you. So the first thing we need to do is draw our area. So let's do a line down here. Now I'm in a square room, so I'm going to roughly draw a square like that. The next thing we need to do once we've got our square is take the measurements. Now the reason I'm doing this is because I want to put new carpet down. So I need to know how much carpet I need. So the first thing I've got to do is get the area of the floor. So I'm going to take the first measurement like this. And then I'll take the second measurement. And then I've got the area. So if we come back round to the tablet, let's look at how these measurements go onto the system itself. So you simply press equals on the disto, and you'll notice then it comes up on the screen there. I then grab that measurement, hold it over one of the lines and let it go. You'll notice then the measurements are on the screen. Once you've added that, it gives you a nice little image of the room itself. You can also add the height of the room, which we've just done, and then go into 3D mode, and it will give you a little 3D drawing of the room. So there you have it, A brief overview of the Disto D510 and the Leica Disto Sketch app. If you want to see some other videos on Distos, some of the features and benefits that other models can do, please let us know and we'll make some videos. Thanks for watching Leica On Demand.